Most people think getting older means your body is breaking down. That damage is permanent. But here's the truth. Your body is repairing itself all the time. Right now, new cells are being created. Old cells are being removed. Damaged tissue is being replaced. Your skin renews itself every month. Your gut lining replaces itself in just a few days. Even your bones are constantly rebuilding. So why do people feel tired, inflamed, or foggy as they age? It's not that your body stopped working. It's usually because it's missing the right nutrients to complete the repair process. Think of your body like a repair shop. The mechanics are ready, the tools are ready, the manual is open. But if the parts never arrive, the repair never happens. Today, I'm showing you 3 ordinary foods that science proves help your body repair itself naturally. These foods are affordable, widely available, and packed with decades of research. Most people completely underestimate them. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. In nutrition science, eggs are often the reference food for protein quality. Protein is the foundation of repair. Muscles, organs, enzymes, hormones, immune cells, they all need it. Every day, your body replaces worn-out proteins. Without enough protein, repair slows down, especially as we age. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, perfectly balanced for your body to use efficiently. And don't skip the yolk. Egg yolks are full of vitamin A for skin and immune health, vitamin D for bones and immunity, vitamin E for antioxidants, vitamin B12 for nerves and blood, and choline for your brain and liver. Many adults don't get enough choline, which is crucial for memory, learning, liver function, and nerve signaling. Modern research also shows that eating eggs does not increase heart disease risk for most healthy people. Eggs are not just food, they're repair fuel. Number 2. Greek yogurt and kefir. If eggs give your body the building blocks, Greek yogurt and kefir make sure your body uses them efficiently. How? Through your gut. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms and controls your immune system, inflammation, and nutrient absorption. Over 70% of your immune system lives here. Greek yogurt and kefir contain probiotics, which strengthen your gut lining, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce inflammation. Less inflammation equals faster repair throughout your body. Greek yogurt is also high in protein, especially casein, which supports muscle repair. A quick tip: avoid flavored or sugary yogurt. Sugar can harm gut bacteria and cancel out the benefits. Stick to plain, unsweetened yogurt or kefir. Number 3. Bananas. Bananas might look simple, but they're a repair powerhouse. They're rich in potassium, which supports muscle contraction, nerve signaling, heart rhythm, and fluid balance. Many adults don't get enough potassium, which can lead to cramps, fatigue, and weakness. Bananas also provide fast energy. Pair them with protein or fat, and they keep your blood sugar stable. Plus, they contain prebiotic fiber, which feeds good gut bacteria, improving digestion and overall gut health. Bananas don't just fuel your body, they support the system that regulates repair. If this video helped you understand better, like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the Food Nutrition channel for more simple nutrition and health tips. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.